Hey, what's up? If you're ready to burn belly fat, boost your energy, and finally get moving, I've got the perfect 7-day home workout and diet plan for you. No gym? No problem. No fancy equipment? You won't need any. Just 15 minutes a day, right at home. Let's kickstart your transformation. Alright, here's how it works. Each day, you'll do a simple, effective workout routine. We're talking jumping jacks, mountain climbers, crunches, burpees, classic moves that target your core, get your heart pumping, and fire up your metabolism. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll break it down step by step. Day 1, start with 30 seconds each of jumping jacks, mountain climbers, crunches, and burpees. Rest for a minute, then repeat the circuit twice. Take it slow and focus on your form. Day by day, add 5 seconds to each exercise. By day 7, you're up to a full minute each. Trust me, you'll feel stronger already. But hey, results aren't just about the workout, what you eat matters too. So let's talk about food. Simple, wholesome, and totally beginner-friendly. For breakfast, think oats with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Lunch could be grilled chicken or tofu with a big pile of leafy greens and a light olive oil dressing. Snack on carrot sticks, apple slices, or a handful of almonds. And for dinner, keep it light. Maybe a veggie stir-fry or baked salmon with brown rice. Oh, and don't forget to hydrate. Lemon cucumber detox water is my go-to for staying refreshed and beating bloat. Now I know it's tempting to look for quick fixes, but the real magic happens when you stick with it. Reducing belly fat isn't just about your reflection. It's about feeling confident, sleeping better, and protecting your heart. You'll finish the week more energized, healthier, and honestly kind of proud of yourself. Ready to get started? Write down your plan, put your workout clothes where you can see them, and tell a friend to join you. I promise, a week from now, you'll be so glad you did. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and let's motivate each other. Drop a comment if you're joining the challenge. I'd love to hear how you're doing. Remember, small steps add up. Your journey starts today, right here, right now.